Hello everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing a layout I created using several of the Altenew products. The first one is the flower vine and the second is the watercolor halftone stamp set, which is from our January release. The first thing I did was cut out some flowers from one of the 6x6 paper packs from Altenew. I will leave the links in the comment section and also on the Altenew scrapbook page. I took one of the flower and leaf stamps from the flower vine set and used hazelnut ink to stamp that onto my craft paper. The hazelnut ink is in the same tone as the craft paper, just a little bit darker. I really wanted to go for a subtle tone-on-tone look. Once I've got those stamped images in place, I'm going to add my elements, so my cut out flowers and my photo. I'm going to add a couple more stamps just to add a bit more detail, and once I've finished I'm going to start adding my other elements which I pulled out. I had some hearts in my little leftover bowl. These I cut out with the nesting hearts die set, and I'm just going to use the white side and add a bit of doodling around the side just to give it more definition and to make those hearts pop out. Once I've done that, I'm going to add a couple of finishing touches. I'm going to add a piece of backing paper to my photo just to make it stand out a bit more, and I'm using this lovely teal color which fits in nicely with the tones from the cut out flowers. And I'm also going to use a couple of the hearts in that same cardstock, and like with the larger hearts I'm going to add a bit of doodling around the sides. All I have to do is add a title. I'm going to use one of the script words and also some journaling, and I'm going to make little journaling strips using the sentiments from the Halftone Hearts stamp set. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope you learned something new and that you've got some new ideas for an upcoming project. If you've got any comments or questions, just pop them in the comment section. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a lovely day. Happy scrapping, happy crafting, and see you very soon with more inspiration from Altenew. Bye bye.